So, hey guys, it's Ariel Victor here. And yeah, this is the nuatiloy. Yeah. Bet you guys weren't expecting the intro. Yeah. So let's do this battle. Oh, it's hopping. Yay. It's beautiful when it hops. Wee! 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 It doesn't normally hop. You can actually control it to stop hopping. So, but yeah, it's the nuatiloy. Let's go to Naval Battle 2. Let's see whether it can kill that. From what I've remembered, it can take down the Montana. No, wait, not the Montana. The Kyong class. Oh, he's hopping again. Da 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 da. It's like some ballet performance or something. Whee! He's an expert at dodging fire right there. Just jumping up and down. They don't know where he's going. He's happily jumping everywhere. In slow motion. So yeah. This is the nuatiloy. I built it to be really fast. I put the fishtail thingy. And then it was able to do the bounce. When I put this fishtail stuff, my English fishtail stuff. Yeah, it was able to balance out. When it goes down, this will bob up, then that will also catch it, and then just keeps bouncing. Oh, sorry. So yeah. It's powered by 2 aircraft carrier boilers, as you already know, and 2 angle boilers, as you already know. And it has many automaladas. I wanted a boat that could have a rapid fire of just guns. And this is excelente versus unarmored units. Like, it can tear right through armor. No, right through hull. But not the best through armor. And it's very good against subs. I mean, like 4 depth charges and 8 torpedoes, 4 on each side. That's pretty powerful. And for I guess longer range for its size, I have these guns. They aren't that. No, wait, no. They aren't that powerful, but they get the range. Wait, is it this or well, never mind. This gets pretty good range before these guns start firing. So, yeah. If you want, you can go check the stats. It is not my most powerful ship, not my fastest ship, but it's pretty powerful. So, yeah. Its armor is pretty high. I mean, it's mostly made out of armor. This is just heavy ballast. A little bit of it is heavy ballast. Heavy ballast. I used it to make the ship start bobbing up and down. It was really funny. So, yeah. I didn't plan to make this video today, but I was testing out with the nuatiloy, and I just saw it bobbing up and down in the water. So I was like, better late than never. Yay! And then, no, better early than late. So, I just took the camera out, got another phone to play that music for the intro, it's Tiny Tim in the sunlight. So yeah, please don't sue me for copyright. I just wanted to get entertainment and comedy, I think. So yeah, nuatiloy. So yeah, nothing much to say about this. I mean, it is very easy to build. If you guys want to know how to build this, that's simple. You you can literally see every part here, and you'll know where to place everything. So yeah, not much of a building tutorial, but you guys can take a photo of it. Wait, not bright enough, but yeah, just see here. It's only 2 layers, so you really don't have to get any other steps. You can literally see all the parts here. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you later. So will he, and bye.